ṣùgbọ́n kọ́ ṣe wá dáadáa kọ́ ṣe wá dáadáa.
Masurat was killed at Ojota. We did not hear anything. Masurat Ojuade, she was killed at Ijesha police station there by the Nigerian police. What did Akin Odumosu do? He's not telling us what.
Nigeria is good for everybody. Nigeria is good for the police. Nigeria is good for the citizen. Nigeria is good for the army. It is good for the citizen. So the government must be there to serve us and to protect us, not to kill us, not to oppress us, not to brutalize us. The government must create an enabling environment for all Nigerians to survive, to thrive. It should not be one people that are well equipped. It should be everyone that is well equipped. It should be Nigerians living in Nigeria and surviving in Nigeria. No, not surviving. We are tired of surviving. We should be making progress in Nigeria as Nigerians.
Adema dìbò. Ẹ̀ṣẹ́gun.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún ni àbáwọn olóṣèlú ti tẹ́lẹ̀.
Àwọn olóṣèlú tẹ́lẹ̀ ti ń ṣe ó ti pẹ́. Àwọn ilé ìdìbò fún ọmọ. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ní 2023, ọ̀dọ́ tó ti kàwé, tó ti ní experience, tá a mọ̀ pé tó láti jókòó síbẹ̀ la máa dìbò fún. Tó bá dẹ̀ ṣe tó ṣe dáadáa, a máa tó dìbò fẹ́ lómi.
Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀.